Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix the error where a song is not available on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Now, if a song says it's unavailable on Instagram while you're viewing your reels, then the simplest explanation might be is the song is unavailable in your region. In that case, you're going to wait for it to become available for Instagram to actually enable it in your region. However, if you don't want to wait, you might be able to use a VPN on your mobile device or on your PC if you're using a browser. And once you use that VPN, set it to a country which has that song available, most likely the United States. And once you try that, then you should be able to post that song. Now, alternatively, it also might be a glitch with the Instagram app itself. So you should send a report to Instagram if it is their own error. If the song is unavailable due to a system error, you can send a report and they'll get back to you in a couple of days and they'll fix it at their earliest convenience. And also, other than that, you can try and see if it's not a local error, which you should try first before contacting Instagram. So what you need to do is go and make sure that your cache is cleared on Instagram, since a corrupted cache does make problems for all of the apps out there, and it's the most common reason for any errors you might be having. Other than that, you can try clearing the data to reset Instagram to its first state when you installed it, or just try reinstalling the app, or maybe even downgrading to a previous version if it is causing problems with a new patch. Or you can just go ahead and go into your Play Store or App Store, figure out if Instagram needs to be updated, and if it does, update it. If it doesn't, try downgrading it as I previously mentioned. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.